Hi, my name is Luis Felipe Garrido Treviño. My ID number is A01196-425. In this opinion review, I will talk about Taco Palenque, a restaurant that represents a traditional place for my family to eat typical dishes of Mexico and a place that we usually visit every time we go to McAllen or to South Padre Island. History and founder. In 1986, Pancho comes up with an idea of preserving the Mexican restaurants, which consisted in saving the essence of Mexican food with the best quality and service. Thus, the 1st of July 1987, Pancho opens Taco Palenque in Laredo, Texas, with great success and extending across South Texas with its unique flavor to delight its customers. The aspects that I will be considering in this opinion review are decoration, food, clothing, comfort, service, and price. Let's start. Decoration. The place is mainly characterized by a classic Mexican decoration, with different ornaments that are interchanged in accordance with holidays or depending on the season, providing the customer a pleasant environment and space to enjoy their meal. Food. The food is basically Mexican food, reason why the provided menu has a large variety of meal, ranging from eggs to complete dishes with meat, rice, and beans. Clothing. As Taco Palenque is a fast food restaurant, most of the employees have a uniform to work on a regular basis. Comfort. In the restaurant, the client can choose two options: eat on chairs made out of metal or wood that are located near the exit and in the games area, or eat on chairs and cushions that are located in the middle of the restaurant. Service. The service is generally very good. Food orders usually take little to be served at your table, and it's very well served, so it fulfills the expectations of the customer. Employees use a polite treatment. Price. Most of the prices are accessible to the consumer. They are not very cheap, but they are not very expensive. They maintain a perfect balance between price and flavor. My opinion or conclusion is everyone should visit Taco Palenque at least once because its flavor, quality, and tradition are unmistakable. Thanks. This is all my opinion review. Hope you like it.